Welcome friends. So today we will be seeing one of the passage. Okay, so this is the reading passage 1. You should spend about 20 minutes on question 1 to 13 which are based on reading passage 1 below. This is the title of the passage, How to Spot a Liar. What do you mean by spot? Spot means to notice. Okay, and what do you mean by liar? Liar means a person who tells lies. Liar means a person who tells lies. Okay, so from the title of the passage we can assume that there must be something regarding lying. Okay, a person who tells lies. So as we are seeing, no ABCD is mentioned. So now let's quickly numberize our paragraphs. So this is the first paragraph. Okay, this is the second paragraph. Okay, first paragraph completes here. Okay, this is the second paragraph. Okay, this is the third paragraph. This is the fourth paragraph. This is the fifth paragraph. This is the sixth paragraph. And this is the seventh paragraph. Okay, so in all we have 7 paragraphs. So now let's quickly see our types of questions in this paragraph. So our first question type is yes, no, not given. Let's quickly mark our keywords. Question 1 to 5. Do the following statement agree with the information given in the reading passage 1? In the boxes 1 to 5 on your answer sheet, write yes if the statement agrees, no if the statement contradicts the views of the writer, not given if it is impossible to say what the writer thinks about this. Okay. Number 1. All living animals can lie. All living animals can lie. Number 2. Some people tell lies for self-preservation. Some people tell lies for self-preservation. 3. Scientists have used computers to analyze which part of the brain is responsible for telling lies. Number 4. Lying as a survival skill is more important than detecting a lie. Number 5. To be a good liar, one has to understand other people's emotion. One has to understand other people's emotion. Another question type is MCQ. Question 6 to 9. These are MCQs. Choose the correct letter ABCD. Write your answer in the boxes 6 to 9 on your answer sheet. Sixth number. How does the lie detector work? Okay. So this is our keyword, lie detector. How does the lie detector work? A. It detects whether one's emotional state is stable. It detects one's brain activity level. It detects body behavior during one's verbal response. D. It analyzes one's verbal response word by word. Let's move forward towards our next question. 7th number. Lie detectors can't be used as evidence in a court of law because A. Lights often cause lie detectors to malfunction. B. They are based on too many verbal and non-verbal clues. Okay. C. Polygraph tests are often inaccurate. Inaccurate means they are not correct. Okay. D. There may be many causes. There may be many causes of certain body behavior. Number 8. Why does the author mention the paralyzed patient? So this is our keyword, paralyzed patient. Let's see the option. A. To demonstrate how a paralyzed patient smiles. B. To show the relation between true emotions and body behavior. C. To examine how they were paralyzed. Okay. D. To show the importance of happiness from recovery. Ninth question. The author uses politicians to exemplify that they can A. Have emotions. B. Imitate actor. C. Detect other people's lives. D. Mask their true feelings. So we have marked our keywords. Now let's move towards our next question type. Questions 11 to 13. Classify the following facial traits as referring to A. Sadness, B. Anger, C. Happiness. Write the correct letter A, B or C in boxes 11 to 13 on your answer sheet. 11 number question. Inner corners of eyeball raised. Raised means to move upward. Okay. Raised means to move upwards. 11 number. The whole eyebrows lowered. Lowered means down. To move downwards. Okay. 12 number. Lines form around. Lines formed around. 13. Lines form above the eyebrows. Okay, so we have to look for the answers. From this we have to select our answer. From A, B, C we have to write. We have to select from this A, B, C. Okay. So now we have marked our keywords. Let's move towards our paragraphs and let's find the answers. So let's read our first paragraph. However much we may abhor it. What do you mean by abhor? Abhor means to hate something very much. Okay. Abhor means to hate something very much. However much we abhor it, deception comes naturally to all living things. Okay. So what they are saying, how much we hate deception. What do you mean deception? Deception means making somebody believe or being made to believe something that is not true. Okay, something that is not true. However much we hate it, deception comes naturally to all living things. To all living things. Birds do it by feigning injury to lead hungry predators away from nesting young. Birds do it by feigning. What do you mean feigning? Feigning means pretend to be affected by. For example, injury. Okay. Injury to lead hungry predators away from nesting young. Spider crabs do it by disguise. What do you mean by disguise? Disguise means to give a different appearance. Okay. To give a different appearance in order to conceal one's identity. Adorning themselves with strips of kelp and other debris, they pretend to be something they are not, and so escape their enemies. Nature amply rewards successful deceivers by allowing them to survive long enough to mate and reproduce. So it may come as no surprise to learn that human beings who, according to psychologist Gerald Johnson of the University of South California, are lied to about 200 times a day, roughly one untruth every 5 minutes. What do you mean by untruth? Untruth means a lie. Okay, untruth means a lie. Roughly one lie every 5 minutes. Often deceive for exactly the same reasons, to save their own skin or to get something they can't get by other means. Okay, so in this paragraph what we have seen that how much we hate, but every natural living things they tells lies. So what they are saying deception comes naturally to all living things. Okay, deception means, what do you mean by, I have already told you what do you mean by deception. Deception means making somebody believe or being made to believe something that is not true. Okay, so it comes naturally to all living things. Okay, and we have seen these living things, this keyword we have seen. Okay, so let's see. So in our first question type, that is yes, no, not given, the first question is all living animals can lie. Living animals, okay, we have seen this. Living animals means living things. All living animals can lie. Yes, this line is given in the passage here. Deception comes naturally to all living things. Okay, so we are getting our answer from this line. We are getting our answer. Deception comes naturally to all living things. And the same thing they are asking here. All living animals can lie. Yes, all living animals can lie. And the statement agrees with the views of the writer. This statement agrees with the view. This is the view of the writer. Okay, so this statement agrees with the view of the writer. So that's why we have written yes in front of 1, and we will write yes in front of 1 in our answer sheet. Okay, let's move forward. Number 2, some people tell lies for self-preservation. Yes, this thing also we have seen in the same paragraph only. In the same paragraph only we have seen here. Okay, Gerald Johnson of the University of South California or lied to about 200 times a day, roughly one untruth every 5 minutes, often deceive for exactly the same reasons to save their own skin. To save their own skin means self-preservation. Okay, own skin means self-preservation. To save their own skin means self-preservation. So we will write yes in front of 2 in our answer sheet. Okay, the views agrees with the statement. So we are getting our answer, and from here we are getting our answer. Okay, from here, to save their own skin and to get something they can't get by other means. To save their own skin means, save their own skin means some people tell lies for self-preservation. Okay, so this statement agrees with the views of the writer. Okay, from here we are getting our answer, to save their own skin. I hope you understood this number 2 question. Okay, the question is some people tell lies for self-preservation. Okay, some people tells lies for self-preservation, and in this paragraph only we are getting our answer. From here. Okay, so from here, so it may come as no surprise to learn that human being who means they are talking about some people. Okay, who means they are talking about some people who, according to psychologist Gerald Johnson of the University of South California, or lied to about 200 times a day, roughly one untruth every 5 minutes, often deceive for exactly the same reasons. to save their own skin. Okay, so this line completely agrees with the question. Okay, some people tell lies for self-preservation, so that's why we have written yes in front of 2, and we will write yes in front of 2 in our answer sheet. Okay, so our next keyword is computers and survival skills, detecting a lie. Okay, so and here our keyword is lie detector, and here our keyword is sadness, anger, happiness, or inner corner of eyebrows. So let's move forward towards our next paragraph and let's find the answer. But knowing how to catch deceit can be just as important a survival skill as knowing how to tell a lie and get away with it. So deceit means dishonest behavior. Okay, deceit means dishonest behavior, but knowing how to catch dishonest behavior can be just as important a survival skill as knowing how to tell a lie and get away with it. Okay, so in this line what they are saying to catch a liar is as important a survival skill as knowing how to tell a lie. Okay, how to tell a lie and how to catch a dishonest behavior, both are important. How to catch a lie can be just as important a survival skill as knowing how to tell a lie. Understand these lines. Okay, let's move forward. A person able to spot means to notice. A person able to spot falsehood quickly is unlikely to be swindled by an unscrupulous business associate or hoodwinked by a devious spouse. Luckily, nature provides more than enough clues to trap dissemblers in their own tangled webs. If you know where to look, by closely observing facial expressions, body language and tone of voice, practically anyone can recognize the telltale signs of lying. Researchers are even programming computers. Okay, programming computers. This is our keyword, computers. Researchers are even programming computers like those used on lie detector to get at the truth by analyzing the same physical cues available to the naked eyes and ear. With the proper training, many people can learn to reliably detect lies, says Paul Ekman, professor of psychology at the University of California, San Francisco, who has spent 15 years studying the secret art of deception. So in this paragraph we have seen so many things. We have seen how to catch a liar is as important survival skill as knowing how to tell a lie. Okay, we have seen programming computers also. So now let's see our question whether we are getting our answer or not. So here they are saying programming computers, and in our third number of question they are asking scientists have used computers to analyze which part of the brain is responsible for telling lies. Okay, we have seen computers but we have not seen part of the brain responsible for telling lies. Okay, and number 4, lying as a survival skill is more important than detecting a lie. This thing we have just seen. This thing. Okay, so we have seen here in the same paragraph only, but knowing how to catch a lie can just be as important a survival skill as knowing how to tell a lie. And in question what they are asking lying lying as a survival skill is more important than detecting a lie. So both the statement and the view of the writer are contradicting with each other. So we will write no in front of 4 in our answer sheet. Okay, why we will write no? Because here what they are asking, lying as a survival skill is more important. Okay, is more important than detecting a lie. And in paragraph what they are saying, but knowing how to catch a deceit can be just as important a survival skill as knowing how to tell a lie. In these lines we are getting our answer from these line only. Okay, but here they are not saying that how to catch a lie is more important than how to tell a lie. Okay, so that's why both the statements are contradicting. This statement in the paragraph and the statement in the question, both are contradicting. In a paragraph they are saying lying as a survival skill is equally important to detect a lie, is equally important as to detect a lie, and in question what they are saying, lying as a survival skill is more important than detecting a lie. Okay, so that's why we will write no in front of 4 in our answer sheet. I hope you understood this, why we have written no here. Why we have written no? Just understand this. Here they are asking more important than detecting a lie. Lying a survival skill is more important than detecting a lie. And in this they are saying how to catch a deceit can be just as important a survival skill as knowing how to tell a lie. Here they are not mentioning that it is more important than. Okay, in these lines they are not mentioning anything more important than. They have just mentioned important and not more important than. Okay, so that's why these lines are contradicting, and so we will write no in front of 4 in our answer sheet. Okay, so let's move forward. Our another question, to be a good liar one has to understand other people's emotions. So in this paragraph we have not seen anything regarding like this, so we will move forward towards our another paragraph, and here we are not getting our keyword lie detector work. Okay, so we will move forward towards our third paragraph. In order to know what kind of lies work best, successful liars need to accurately access other people's emotional states. Ockman's research shows that the same emotional intelligence is essential for good lie detectors too. Lie detectors. The emotional state to watch out for is stress, the conflict most liars feel between the truth and what they actually say and do. Okay, so in this paragraph, in this third paragraph, what they are saying, in order to know what kind of lies work best, successful liars need to accurately assess other people's emotional state. Ockman's research shows that the same emotional intelligence is essential for good lie detectors too. The emotional state to watch out for is stress, the conflict most liars feel between the truth and what they actually say and do. Okay, so we are getting our keyword. So, fifth number. To be a good liar, one has to understand other people's emotion. Okay, so this thing, we have just seen this thing. So in this paragraph only, successful liars need to accurately access other people's emotional states. Okay, the same thing from here to here, we are getting our answer. Okay, to be a good liar means to be a successful liar. Okay, to be a good liar means here they are talking about successful liars. To be a good liar, one has to understand other people's emotions. Okay, so the same thing they has given. So we will write yes in front of 5 in our answer sheet. Okay, So from where we are getting our answer? We are getting our answer from here. Okay. Successful liars need to accurately assess. Accurately assess means accurately understand. Need to understand other people's emotional state. Successful liars need to understand other people's emotional state. So both the statement agrees. So that's why we will write yes in front of 5 in our answer sheet. And our other keyword is lie detector. We have not seen this keyword till now. So we will directly move towards our fourth paragraph. Let's see our fourth paragraph. Even high-tech lie detectors, so this is our keyword, lie detectors. Even high-tech lie detectors don't detect lies as such. They merely detect the physical cues of emotions, which may or may not correspond to what the person being tested is saying. Polygraphs, for instance, measure respiration, heart rate, and skin conductivity, which tend to increase when people are nervous. Okay? As they usually are when lying. So what they are saying? They are saying polygraphs, for example, measures respiration, heart rate, and skin conductivity, which tend to increase when people are nervous, as they usually when lying. When people lies, their respiration, heart rate, and skin conductivity increases. Okay? Nervous people typically perspire. Perspire means sweating. Okay? Nervous people typically perspire, and the salts contained in perspiration conducts electricity. As we all know, our sweat has salt content. Okay, so it conducts electricity. That's why a sudden leap in skin conductivity indicates nervousness. About getting caught, perhaps, which makes in turn suggest that someone is being economical with the truth. So what they are saying here? They are saying that our perspiration contains salt which conduct electricity, and that's why a sudden leap in skin conductivity indicates nervousness. About getting caught, perhaps, which makes in turn suggest that someone is being economical with the truth. On the other hand, it might also mean that the lights in the television studio are too hot, which is only one reason. Polygraph tests are inadmissible. What do you mean by inadmissible? Inadmissible means not valid or acceptable. Okay, which is the one reason polygraph tests are not accepted in court. Good lie detectors don't rely on a single sign, says Ackman, but interrupt clusters of verbal and non-verbal clues that suggest someone might be lying. Okay, so what they are saying here? They are saying that on the other hand, it might also mean that lights in the television studio are too hot, which is only a one reason polygraph tests are not accepted in the court of law. Good lie detectors don't rely on a single sign, says Ackman, but interpret clusters. Clusters means numbers of verbal and non-verbal clues that suggest someone might be lying. Okay, so here we have got our two keywords. First is lie detector. Okay, and another is lights. Okay, so let's see our question. whether we are getting our answer or not. So our first question is MCQ. We have completed with the yes, no, not given. Only third number is remaining. Okay, but we have not seen anything regarding scientists have used computers to analyze which part of the brain is responsible for telling lies. Okay, till now we have not seen anything regarding this third number of question. Okay, so we have come to our MCQs. Sixth number, how does the lie detector work? Okay, we have seen this lie detector. A, it detects whether one's emotional state is stable. B, it detects one's brain activity level. C, it detects body behavior during one's verbal response. D, it analyzes one's verbal response word by word. And in paragraph, what we have seen? We have seen in paragraph, we have seen nervous people typically perspire. Polygraphs, for instance, polygraph means a lie detector test. Okay, polygraph means a lie detector test. So polygraph, for instance, measures respiration, heart rate, skin conductivity, which tend to increase when people are nervous, as they usually are when lying. Nervous people typically perspire, and the salts contained in perspiration conducts electricity. Okay, so these are the changes which occurs in the body when the person is lying. Okay, so how does the lie detector works? It detects one's emotional state is stable? No. It detects one brain activity level? No. It detects body behavior during one's verbal response. So yes, we have seen this. So we will write C. We will write C in front of 6 in our answer sheet. It detects body behavior during one's verbal response. Body behavior means they are talking about heart rate, perspiration, respiration. Okay, they are talking about body behavior means they are talking about this thing. Measures respiration, heart rate and skin conductivity. I hope you understood this from where we are getting our answer. It detects body behavior during one's verbal responses. Okay, so body behavior means they are talking about heart rate, respiration and perspiration. It analyzes one's verbal response word by word. No, we have not seen anything regarding like this. Okay, I hope you understood this. Okay, we are getting our answer from here. We are getting our answer from here to here. Okay, we are getting our answer from here to here. These are the examples of body behavior: respiration, heart rate and skin conductivity. Polygraph test detects respiration, heart rate and skin conductivity, which tend to increase, which increases when people are nervous or they are lying, or when they are lying. Okay, I hope you understood this. Let's move forward. Lie detectors can't be used as evidence in the court of law. We have seen this court of law because lights often cause lie detectors to malfunction. We have seen this lights keyword. Okay. B, they are based on too many verbal and non-verbal clues. C, polygraph tests are often inaccurate. This inaccurate word also we have seen. D, there may be many causes of certain body behavior. So in paragraph we have seen this thing here. On the other hand, it might also mean that lights in the television studio are too hot, which is only one reason. Okay, these lights are only the one reason polygraph tests are inadmissible in court. Good lie detectors don't rely on single sign, says Ekman, but interpret clusters of verbal and non-verbal clues that suggest someone might be lying. So, in question, what they are asking, lie detectors can't be used as evidence in the court of law because lights often cause lie detectors to malfunction. So, this thing Malfunction, we have not seen this malfunction word in the paragraph, so we will cancel out these. They are based on too many verbal and non-verbal they are based on too many verbal and non-verbal clues. We have not seen that it is based on too many verbal and non-verbal clues. Okay, so we will cancel out these also. Polygraph tests are often inaccurate. We have not seen that are often inaccurate. What here they are saying, which is the one reason polygraph tests are inadmissible in court. Okay, but here they are not mentioning that polygraph tests are often inaccurate. Okay, so we will cancel out these also. D, there may be many causes of certain body behavior. This thing we have seen. From this thing we have seen. So we will write D in front of 7 in our answer sheet. From where we are getting our answer? We are getting our answer from here. Okay, we are getting our answer from here. Which is the one, on the other hand, it might be also mean that light in the television studio are too hot, which is one reason polygraph tests are inaccurate in the court of law. Okay, so this lights is not only the one reason, there are so many reasons. There are so many causes of certain behavior. Lie detectors can't be used as evidence in a court of law because they are mentioning only one example, lights. Okay, lights in the television studio are too hot. That was only one example from that was only one cause from the so many causes. So our answer will be there may be many causes of certain body behavior. Many causes, and one of the causes is light in the television studio is too hot. Okay, I hope you understood this. I hope you understood this. If you are not understanding, then please make pause and repeat this passage. I hope you understood this. From where we are getting our answer. Okay, let's move forward. Why does the author mention the paralyzed patient? So we are not getting our keyword, this paralyzed patient. So we will move forward towards our next paragraph, and here they are, and here our keyword is inner corners of the eyebrows, sadness, anger, and happiness. So we will move forward towards our fifth paragraph. Those clues are written all over the face. Those clues are written all over the face because the musculature of the face is directly connected to the areas of the brain that processes emotion. The countenance, what do you mean by countenance? Countenance means a person's face or facial expression. Okay, countenance means a person's face or facial expression. The facial expression can be a window to the soul. Yes, a facial expression can be a window to the soul. Neurological studies even suggest that genuine emotions travel different pathways through the brain than insincere ones. If a patient paralyzed, so this is our keyword, paralyzed patient. If a patient paralyzed by stroke on one side of the face, for example, is asked to smile deliberately. What do you mean by deliberately? Deliberately means intentionally. For example, if a paralyzed patient is asked to smile deliberately, only the mobile side of the mouth is raised. Mobile side of the mouth means the good side of the mouth. The unaffected side of the mouth means, or good side of the mouth is raised. What they are saying here, they are saying if the paralyzed patient is asked to smile deliberately, then the mobile side of the mouth is raised. But tell that same person means they are talking about the paralyzed person. Okay, they are talking about the paralyzed patient. But tell that paralyzed person a funny joke and the patient breaks into full and spontaneous smile. Okay, full and spontaneous smile. Very few people, most notably actors and politicians, are able to consciously control all of their facial expressions. So that's why they are all good actors. Okay, they can control their facial expressions, actors and politicians. Lies can often be caught when the liar's true feelings briefly leak through the mask of deception. We don't think before we feel, Ekman says. Expressions tend to show up on the face before we are even conscious of experiencing an emotion. So, we are getting so many things. Let's see our questions. So, our 8th number of question. We have done our 6th number. We have done our 7th number. So, 8th number. Why does author mention the paralyzed patient? To demonstrate how a paralyzed patient smile? No. To show the relation between true emotions and body behavior? Yes. To show the relation between true emotion and body behavior. True emotion means if a funny joke, they have mentioned an example, a funny joke. Okay. So yes, our answer will be B. Our answer will be B. So we will write B in front of 8 in our answer sheet. To examine how they were paralyzed? No. To show the importance of happiness from recovery? No. These things we have not seen. We have seen this option to show the relation between true emotions and body behavior. From where we are getting our answer? We are getting our answer from here. Okay, for example, they had mentioned the example. If the paralyzed patient is asked to smile deliberately means intentionally. If asked to smile intentionally, only the good side of the mouth, only the mobile side or good side or unaffected side of the mouth is raised. But then same paralyzed person, but tell that same paralyzed person a funny joke and the patient breaks into full and spontaneous smile. Okay, the source they are talking about, this is the body behavior. Okay, when the paralyzed person is asked to smile deliberately, only the good side of the mouth is raised. But when you tell a funny joke to the same paralyzed person, then patient breaks into full and spontaneous smile. Okay, so from here we are getting our answers. I hope you understood this. Okay, smile means they are talking about the body behavior, true feelings. Funny joke, okay, they are talking about the funny joke. If patient is entirely happy, then the patient breaks into a full and spontaneous smile after hearing a joke, after hearing a funny joke. I hope you understood this. Okay, so let's see whether we are getting our another answer or not. So we have done with our 8th number of question. The author uses the politician to exemplify that they can have emotions. We have seen these politicians and actors. Okay, they hide their true feelings. We have seen this in the same paragraph only. Very few people from here. Okay, very few people, most probably actors and politicians are able to consciously control all of their facial expression. So here our keyword is politician. The author uses politician to exemplify that they can have emotions? No. Imitate actors? No. Detect other people's lives? No. Mask their true feelings? Yes. Mask means they can conceal their true feelings. So we will write D in front of 9 in our answer sheet. Okay, so we have done with our 9 number of question also. I hope you understood this. Okay, from here we are getting our answer. Actors and politicians are able to consciously control all of their facial expression. So they are saying that they can mask their true feelings. So now let's move forward. So with this we have completed our MCQs. We have completed all the MCQs. In yes, no, not given, only third one is remaining. Till now we have not seen anything regarding which part of the brain is responsible for telling lies. Okay, so we will write not given in front of 3 in our answer sheet. We will write not given in front of 3 in our answer sheet because we have not seen anything regarding part of the brain responsible for telling lies. Okay, so our 6th and 7th paragraph is remaining, and our keywords are sadness, anger, and happiness. So let's quickly read our remaining paragraphs. 6th number of paragraph. One of the most difficult facial expression to fake or conceal if it's genuinely felt is sadness. So our keyword sadness has came. One of the most difficult facial expression to fake is sadness. When someone is truly sad, the forehead wrinkles with grief and the inner corners of the eyebrows are pulled up. Pulled up means raised up, go upward. Okay. Fewer than 15% of the people Ekman tested were able to produce their eyebrows movement voluntarily. By contrast, the lowering of eyebrows associated with an angry scowl can be replicated, can be replicated or copied at will, but almost everybody. If someone claims they are sad and the inner corners of their eyebrows don't go up, Ekman says the sadness is probably false. So what they are saying in this paragraph? In this paragraph, they are saying that one of the facial expression what they are saying here, they are saying one of the most difficult facial expression to fake or conceal is sadness. When people is sad, truly sad, the forehead wrinkles with grief and the inner corners of the eyebrows are pulled up. Pulled up means raise up or go upward. Fewer than 15% of the people Ekman tested were able to produce their eyebrows movement voluntarily. Eyebrows movement voluntarily means on purpose. By contrast, the lowering of eyebrows associated with an angry scowl, and there it can be copied at will. Okay, but almost everybody. If someone claims they are sad and the inner corner of their eyebrow don't go up, Ekman says the sadness is probably false. So let's see our question number 10. Inner corners of the eyebrows raised. So we have seen this in sadness. In sadness, inner corners of the eyebrow raised. So we will write A. We will write A in front of 10 in our answer sheet. Inner corners of the eyebrows raised to move upward. Okay, and the same thing we have seen this in this paragraph. When someone is truly sad, the forehead wrinkles with grief and the inner corners of the eyebrows are pulled up. Pulled up means raised or goes up. I hope you understood this. We have got our answer from here. Okay, another question is the whole eyebrows lowered. Whole eyebrows lowered means they are talking about the anger. They are talking about the anger. So we will write B in front of 11 in our answer sheet. We will write B in front of 11 in our answer sheet. Okay, from where we are getting this answer? We are getting this answer from here. By contrast, the lowering of the eyebrows associated with the angry scowl. Okay, I hope you understood this. Lowering of the eyebrows associated with angry scowl. So we are getting our another answer from here to here. Okay, and lines formed around and lines form above eyebrows. So let's see. We have not seen anything regarding this till now. So let's move forward. 7th paragraph. The smile, on the other hand, is one of the easiest facial expression to counterfeit. It takes just two muscles, the zygomaticus major muscles that extends from the cheekbones to the corners of the lips to produce a grin. Grin means a complete smile. But there is a catch. Catch means stop. But there is a catch. A genuine smile affects not only the corners of the lips but also the orbicularis oculi muscle, the muscle around the eye that produces the distinctive means different crow's feet associated with people who laugh a lot. A counterfeit grin can be unmasked if the corners of the lip go up, the eyes crinkle, but the inner corners of the eyebrows are not lowered. A movement controlled by the orbicularis oculi that is difficult to fake. The absence of lowered eyebrows is one reason why the smile looks so strained and stiff. The absence. So our another question is lines formed around. Lines formed around means all over the face they are talking about. So they are talking lines formed around. So we have just seen in this paragraph only, we have just seen a genuine smile affect not only the corners of the lip but also the orbicularis oculi, the muscles around the eye. Around. Okay, so this is our keyword, around. Okay, so we are getting our answer. Okay, smile. Smile means they are talking about happiness. Okay, so lines formed around. So we have seen this keyword, around. So they are talking about happiness. So we will write C in front of 12 in our answer sheet. Okay, we will write C in front of 12 in our answer sheet. From here we are getting our answer. Okay, a genuine smile affect. Smile means they are talking about happiness. A genuine smile affect not only the corners of the lips but also the orbicularis oculi, the muscle around the eye that produces the distinctive crow fit associated with people who laugh a lot. Okay, so from here we are getting our answer. Okay, they are talking about happiness. Lines formed around means they are talking about happiness. So we will write C in front of 12 in our answer sheet. Okay, the last one is remaining lines form above eyebrows. Above eyebrows. So we have to look. So from these two paragraphs only we are getting our answers. Okay, sadness, we are getting our sadness, we are getting our angry, and we are getting our happiness. Okay, and the last question is lines form above eyebrows. So we have to form above eyebrows means they are talking about forehead. Above eyebrows means the part above eyebrows is forehead. So what they are saying, one of the most difficult facial expression to fake or conceal if it genuinely felt is sadness. When someone is truly sad, the forehead wrinkles with grief and the inner corners of the eyeballs are pulled up. So we are getting our another answer, sadness. Okay, forehead wrinkles with grief. So lines form above eyebrows. So we will write sadness, A number in front of 13 in our answer sheet. Okay, we will write A in front of 13 in our answer sheet. Lines form above eyebrows means they are talking about forehead wrinkles. Okay, they are talking about forehead wrinkles. Okay, they are talking about forehead wrinkles. I hope you understood this. Lines form above eyebrows means they are talking about forehead wrinkles. And we are getting our last answer from here, forehead wrinkles. That is sadness. Okay, I hope you understood this. So with this we have completed our entire passage. And our title of the passage is How to Spot a Liar. So try to understand and try to learn new passages. Okay friends?